7 minus 3 gives us 4, and 7 minus 4 gives us 3, in the end, 4 times 3 gives us 12. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that when we face a mathematical expression, we cannot start solving it from anywhere we like. Instead, we must follow a specific order called the correct order of operations. The correct order of operations is known by a short acronym called PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents and roots. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, in any mathematical expression, we first calculate parentheses, then exponents and roots, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority. In any expression that has both multiplication and division, we move from left to right and perform whichever we reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. 7 minus 3 times 7 minus 4. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, 7 minus 4 gives us 3, and the expression becomes 7 minus 3 times 3. In mathematics, when a number is written next to parentheses, it means that the number is multiplied by the expression inside the parentheses. However, for simplicity, we usually do not write the multiplication sign. Now, in this expression, there is both multiplication and subtraction. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction, so we first calculate 3 times 3, which gives us 9. In the end, we calculate 7 minus 9, which gives us -2.